Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat, and this is CatBudgets. I hope you guys are having an amazing February so far. I hope you guys had a lovely Valentine's Day. I hope you guys had an amazing long weekend, and your week is going great so far. Out here in Massachusetts, it's actually snowing tonight, unfortunately. After on Monday, which was President's Day, it was 60 degrees outside, and now it's going to be snowing, and I think it's going to be in the single digits this weekend for the temperature, which is hilarious. But yeah, so I actually wanted to check in. So this is going to be my weekly check-in number 3 for the month of February. February is almost done. We got one more week left. So let's see where we can finish accomplishing our goals for February. The quarter ends next month, so let's see how we're doing. But I will be checking in right now and see where my dollars went this past week in the different categories. And I'm kind of stressed out because I'm wicked over budget in one of my categories, but it is what it is. If you guys are curious to see where my dollars went, then stay tuned, and this is going to be again my weekly check-in number 3 for February. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so first things first, this is my Erin Condren 7x9 monthly planner. This is in the rose gold coil, and this is the Star Wars cover. And then this is my micro happy planner by Happy Planner. And then my stickers are going to be my expense trackers, and they're from Romina Rosa. And I'm going to be using the Erin Condren pen. You guys can see right there. Focus there. And then I'm just going to use the calculator to add everything up. But all right, so let's go ahead and get started and put these over here. We're going to flip to February, which is going to be right over here. So again, this is my February layout. And let me just grab this over here, make sure that everything is separated and within reach. Make sure everything is in frame. Okay, perfect. Let me actually take a seat. Okay, so for the week of February, we're going to be checking in from the 15th to the 21st. Today is actually the 22nd, so I'm doing it after. And my budget is $90 per week. And for this week, these are all my expenses for food. We're gonna do food first, like always. So these are my expenses for food. So let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so first things first, let me actually pull this out of the way. Actually, no, it's not in the way. So this is my key for my expenses. So pink is food, blue is gas, purple is shopping, green is household, peach is beauty, and then red is unbudgeted. All right, so for the first expense, that was on the 15th, I went to a place called Mineral. I know I mentioned it on my videos before. It's a Brazilian steakhouse. I went, I think, after work, and I spent $16.76, and that was on the 15th. Yeah. Oh no, this was during my lunch. I went for lunch. All right, Mineral. And then I went to Trader Joe's on the 16th. I forget what I bought. I think maybe milk. I'm not sure. Oh, probably just some quick things, and that was $13.26. Okay, Trader Joe's. That was on the 16th. Some Trader Joe's. Perfect. And then on the 16th, I also had food at work. And what was that? That was $8. So that was probably my breakfast and a coffee. And lunch. That was on the 16th. I'm trying to remember what I think I bought mac and cheese that I'm gonna have tomorrow. All right, and then I went to Bagel World on the 17th with my boyfriend. We're obsessed with this place. So $10.95. The food is so good and it's so cheap, I just don't understand. All right, Bagel World. Well, my boyfriend went, and I just paid for it. All right, and then on the 19th, I ordered some DoorDash to my boyfriend's house. We ordered some acai bowls from a place where he lives in Massachusetts. That was $25. And that was on the 19th, so that was on over here. Perfect. And then on the 19th, I also went to South End Buttery, which is in the south end of Boston. Got myself a tea and a muffin there. That was $11.88, which is crazy for a tea and a freaking muffin, but it is what it is. That was on the 19th. So how has your week been, everyone? Hope everyone's week has been great. Okay, on the 19th, I also bought some strawberries that my friend and I made chocolate covered strawberries. And that was a market called Foodies in the South End. So that was for some strawberries. On Friday, on the 17th, that was my boyfriend and I's 1 year and 1.5 years, so 1 year and 6 month anniversary. And it was really, really nice. We went to Ramsey Kitchen. He took me to Ramsey Kitchen out in Boston on Boylston Street. Honestly, we had a great time. It was nice to celebrate our love and each other and just remember all the memories that we've created in the last 1.5 years, almost 2 years. It'll be almost 2 years in May since we started dating, but it's been 1.5 years since we made it official. And we had such a great time. The food was good. At least the entrees that we ordered and the starters and the drinks, we enjoyed it all. It was really delicious. Okay, and on the 21st, I had some work food. I spent $10, and that was like scrambled eggs in the morning with fruit and a coffee. And then for lunch, I forget what I had for lunch. For lunch, I had, why can I not remember? Oh, I had like pasta with like vegetables, and it's really good food. All right. So then for gas, I actually did pump gas this week. I pumped gas on the 19th. And that was, let's see, $56.50. I know that's a random number, but I pumped gas before my car was empty, so it still had a little bit left. And that was on the 19th. Perfect. Check this off here. Oh, here, whatever. Okay, and then now we're gonna do beauty. Beauty is peach. So on the 17th, I actually got my nails done before my date with my boyfriend. So got a new nails, as you guys can see. Take a look. And that was $60. It's including tip, of course. So that was on that day. And then on the 20th, I got a wax. And that was $57. That was on the 20th, right over here. Perfect. Check that off. Okay, and then for shopping, we're down here for the week of the 15th to the 21st. On the 19th, I got a car wash. Oh yeah, I did get a car wash. Okay, yeah. Right after I pumped gas. Okay, car wash. And that was $22. My car really needed that. Oh my god, the 19th is like filled up. Look at that. Look how full that is over here. That is so funny. Okay. And then on the 21st, I got something from T-Mobile. So let's see. T-Mobile, and that was $21.25. That was on the 21st, so yesterday. All right, and then I don't have anything so far for this week, of course. All right, and then nothing for household, check, and then no unbudgeted. Perfect. Okay, and then let's take a look here and see what bills have been paid So the gym was taken out, Google Workspace was taken out. Let's see. And so far that's it. But okay, so let's go ahead and add up these expenses. So on the 15th, I mentioned I meant to mean it out. So 16.76 plus $8 plus 13.26 plus 10.95 plus 5.99 plus 11.88 plus 25 plus 21.25 plus 10. All right. Oh, why did I put T-Mobile in? I'm done. No, subtract 21.25. I don't know why I just put T-Mobile in purple and pink. That is so funny. This is shopping. Oh my god. Don't include that. All right. So for food, I spent $101.84. So let's flip over here. And this is 101.84. Let's just ignore this and we're gonna put over budget. Okay. And then let's check these off just to make sure that they are accounted for. Okay. All right. And then from the 15th, so I pumped gas, which was $56.50. Perfect. Check that off. And then for shopping, that was a T-Mobile and a car wash. So T-Mobile was $21.25 plus 22, and that was $43.25. Cool. Honestly, getting that car wash was like much needed because that was bad. All right, nothing for household. I almost put 0 for beauty. So beauty was 60 plus 57, and that was 117. I'm gonna be honest, some of that money was money that my boyfriend gave me, but to be completely honest with you, I do not remember what the exact amount was that he gave me, because he gave me on separate occasions. So some of that is courtesy of my boyfriend. But yeah, so what was it? 117. Perfect. And then there was nothing for unbudgeted. Okay, so let's go back and check those off. And let's see. Check these off. Oh, I also did end up paying my friend the editor the ticket, so I am officially out $1,142.25. That hurt me to pay her, but it's done and I can't wait for the concert. I'm wicked excited, so I cannot wait for that. But okay, other than that, this is it for today's video. Quick and simple, hopefully, but I hope you guys liked it. I hope February is going well so far. Let's see, do I have any no spend days? Ooh, I have one. That counts on the 18th. No spend days. Oh my god, that was the day that my boyfriend's mom made pupusas, and her pupusas come out amazing. Literally so freaking amazing. I love her pupusas so much. Like, I honestly don't know if I like his grandma's pupusas better or his mom's pupusas better, but they're just freaking amazing. They truly are. And this past week I also got my taxes done, so can't wait for that to come in, because that's definitely gonna, most of it is gonna go to debt, so I can't wait to share that when it comes through. And then I'm probably gonna put some of that money towards car maintenance that my car probably needs. But other than that, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you if you made it this far. If you did, then leave me a comment down below with the blue heart emoji. And then if you guys haven't already, I have an Instagram. My Instagram is at CatBudgets with a C. And then I like to share and post. I'm pretty active on Instagram. I like to repost other people's stuff and obviously share more information about my finances and stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, that's at CatBudgets on Instagram. I would love to have you guys over there. I'm trying to grow my family over there too. And then I also have a TikTok. My TikTok is at cat, CAT_AA. And if you made it this far, please give it a like. So thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave any comments down below. I love reading people's comments and hearing about other people's journeys and sharing with each other in this community. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.